This video is sponsored by AnthroDesk. When you think of something that could threaten your life, you probably don't think about your office chair. But according to many researchers, it's one of the biggest potential threats to our health. Professor James Levin of the Mayo Clinic told the LA Times that sitting is more dangerous than smoking, kills more people than HIV, and is more treacherous than parachuting. He's the man that coined the phrase, "Sitting is the new smoking." I'm one of millions of Americans who are overweight because of prolonged sitting, primarily due to my job in front of a computer. I'm working to break that sitting habit by using sit-to-stand desks both at work and recently in my home office. I bought this unit from AnthroDesk on Amazon for around $300, and let me tell you, it is a rugged piece of equipment. It's made from heavy-gauge steel with commercial motors in each leg. The shipping weight is around 66 pounds, so I got help carrying the box upstairs in my house. Assembly was trivial, even by myself. The only tool needed was an Allen wrench, and it came in the box. The frame is expandable to accommodate desktops from 4 feet to over 6 feet wide, but I tested it temporarily with a top from an old IKEA desk. This desk has a home button for the standard sitting position, plus 2 memory settings that can be used to remember the perfect standing heights for 2 people. Now I use a timer on my watch to remind me to stand for 15 minutes every hour, which means I'm standing for 2 hours a day instead of sitting for 8. I'll increase that by a little each month as I build stamina. Research shows I can reduce my chances of cancer, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and back pain, all with one simple lifestyle change: reduce the time I spend sitting. Well, this desk is certainly going to help me do just that.